All right. So I was trying to prove the Electoral College was not representative of the popular vote in a very complicated mathematical formula. And it's very complicated, but I think what I did was some sort of super huge weird math. So take a look and tell me what you think. I think I either proved percentages and or an equal sign. So look at this. You'll see it all. Found out. All right. Look at it. Do you see it? Okay. That's the first page. I added variables and I added variables, and the number I came up with after toiling with this for, I don't know, 3 hours was on the left side here. Here's the right side. Look at it all. Can you guys read it? I'll scan it slowly for you. So it went from the top down to the bottom. Okay. And then this is what I came up with. Something e to the negative 17. I was solving for x, and I ended up with 1. So, I think. But take a look. So I don't know what I proved, but I can't explain it, man. Like, one of the numbers was 138 million. Which is the total voting population according to what the website said. And it said 62,984,828. The initial ratio I worked with was that an electoral college vote per populace was worth 259,398 votes. And then I ended up... the 532 over 304 was the... Oh my God. Was the Republican vote. So it took... So it's supposed to be 259,398 votes per electoral college vote. All right. But the value was 207,186 per electoral college popular for the entire, voting population. So it took 207,000 votes for 207,186 votes per electoral college vote to reach 304. Get this, electoral college votes in the 26th election. Now, as the disparity is, the disparity that I found is it took 290,103 votes to get 1 electoral college vote. So, yeah, that's the first thing. And then I took 207,186 which was 57.14 of the total electoral college vote, to 290,000 of 290,103 to equal 42.66% of the electoral college vote. The number I came up with then was I divided the popular vote value by the percentage, and then I came up with 118,386. Then versus 123,760. So the 118,386 was the percentage value of the popular vote. For the Republicans, and it was 118,386. For the Democrats, it was 123,760. Now, I don't know what I did after that. I have to look at those. I combined those two numbers, came up with 242,146 minus 2,500 or 259,398. So it had some sort of negative value of negative 17,249. Duh. So I think that might be the number of disenfranchised people per electoral college vote. Now, the next thing I did, I have no idea what I did after that, to be honest. It's too freaking complicated. But I'm here on this one. So that's some sort of value. Now, what I did here, I have no idea. I added some sort of weird variable, and the variable persisted to this number down here. Negative 47,957. Now, on this next page, I added a shit ton of variables. I don't know what the fuck I proved. Found out. I came up with a 1.97 273 election value by electoral college, and for the Republicans, and a 1.92 265 electoral college vote out of the total. This makes it 47,199 for the Democrats and 47% or point. I don't know. I did something weird with percentage here. I introduced a variable. I'm not sure what it was. But 0.477199 for the Democrats, 0.456411 for the Republicans. This is here. Now, I took this number and I added up to 538 total value. What happens beyond that is unfathomable. I created another factor in my head, but that's all here. This here is the complicated part. And then I divided this and multiplied it by 538, and I gave the over-under of the value of whatever the fuck I was calculating in my head. Now check this out. This gets weird. Right here, over here, I did the over and the under, multiplication and division. You see this? So this underlined one here is the over and the under, division and multiplication. And then down here I did the same thing. One of them is Democrat, one of them is Republican. The top one's Democrat, the bottom one's Republican. Now, what occurs on the next page is unfucking fathomable. I took the e to the 8th number that popped up, right? And let's see what I'm looking at here. Found out somehow it added up to 100% of the voting population. So 1 3 over the 4 6. So this is Democrat. This one is Republican. A Republican over under, right? So, but the Democrats and the Republicans, do you see this over here? Take a closer look. The Democrats and the Republicans, and I assessed a value according to the Electoral College. Now, what happens when I take this e to the negative 8th number and cross multiply it? Because y'all know math, right? Like, so this number here was multiplied against this number here, and this number here was multiplied against this number here. What I came up with was right here on the bottom, this number is equal. I don't know how this is possible. Because if y'all remember, over here, we weren't dealing with complete 100% percentages. Now, how does this, because the Electoral College vote, the value of the Electoral College vote versus the popular vote, it's based on 538. So, but, so maybe 538 is a factor in, you proved a factor for negative, whatever the fuck this number is. Like, I'm not making a joke. Like, I did some sort of weird fucking mathematical proof. It's not just a build and a breakdown to equal to 100%. What I did, I can't fathom. So, if you're a mathematician, take a look at this. You might enjoy it. It might break your brain. It might make you feel good, but I proved something. What? I have no fucking idea. It's either a percentage sign, a ratio, Electoral College. Mathematically and philosophically, the ramifications are unfucking fathomable. It's not just some weird math trick. I continuously added variables, and what ended up happening is I got an answer 1 equals 1, essentially. With a negative, I mean, like, the number is 86558763007097 e to the negative 17th x squared equals 86558763007097 e to the negative 17th x squared. But to get to that point, Here's the fucking weird thing. I multiplied 1,347,900,52,17391 e to the negative eighth x times 4.436048704272399 e to the negative 14th x. Okay? And I set that equal to 1.283967768115942 e to the negative eighth x, and I multiplied it by 4.65861460497,818 e to the negative 14th x, and both the numbers ended up being 8.6558763007097 e to the negative 17th x squared equals 8.655875763007097 to the negative, or e to the negative 17th x squared. I multiplied two different fucking numbers, and it equaled 1. Like, it came up with, like, I need a mathematician to look at this. I proved fucking something, and it's very complicated. What to do with this, I have not the foggiest. I know it's got mathematical applications, but I proved something that no human being has even fathomed by adding factors concerning the American election process. Like, who the fuck does this? And, like, the number, like, multiplying a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14-digit number to the e to the negative 8th times a 14-digit number times e to the negative 14th. And keep in mind, the esoteric value of this is... I don't know what I found. Somebody take a look at it. It's pretty profound. Like, look at the fucking number, man. Type it into your damn calculator and look at it. No, like, nobody makes this number here multiplied by this number up here, this up here, this down here, multiplied together, and then this up here times this down here. Different numbers, like, all four of these numbers are different. But when you assess the value of x squared, it becomes this. It equals itself. It's a 14-digit number to the negative 17th, equaling itself. Like, the precision of this proof, or whatever the fuck is on this page, is holy crap, kind of crazy, right? Oh my god. Yeah, you're not gonna find any weird shit in here. All I did was continually add variables to a ratio. Maybe I proved ratio. Anybody else ever prove ratio? Serious. Look. Just
do the math. Sit there and try to figure it out. I guarantee you this proof cannot be duplicated. There's too many goddamn variables. I just added variables from here on this side where my ring finger is, all the way through here, down to here, took this number, added more variables, started here, and added more variables, and then I added like 4 more variables, and then I came up with this freakish equation over here, and ended up with whatever the fuck this means. To the negative 17th x squared. The number in, like, just look at it. It's fucking amazing. And it's not a ginning. I don't know what the fuck to tell you.